800 megahertz thermal throttling. Absolute amazingness, this thing. Look at the temps, 103 degrees Celsius. Yeah, this one is more accurate. It measures the hottest part of the motherboard. 59 degrees on the hard drive. Rest in peace. 85 degrees on that. W CPU clock doesn't show it though, but it's really running at around 800 megahertz. And it's freaking slow. Holy crap. Wow. She also noticing the stabilized footage. The same place I got this PC from, I found a DJI gimbal, so that's why the videos are stable. It's at 85 degrees. The clock core ratios are actually increasing again. It's really fluctuating. Burley isn't really up to modern tasks too, as web browsing takes too much resource. I wonder how this thing was done with Windows Update then back in the day. Probably boiling itself whilst updating. Wondering how this hard drive's still going without any issues. 59 degrees. Very good. It's terrible. So, yeah. Also for other games, let's see how those do. I collected. No, there we go. Yeah, I only downloaded 3 of these on there that I just archived. 'Cause they were pretty simple, but holy crap, this thing's having a struggle. This is actually so bad. It's actually like so bad. You can tell how what the frame rate is. Like I think it's like 10 or something. Maybe even lower than that. My laptop even does better on software. Well, not really, but software graphics on my laptop is even better. Try JavaScript games and oh my gosh, so horrible. But I mean, you can play games in this if you'd like. I just don't recommend it. So, like, I'm amazed that one guy in the world bought this. Well, actually, two. I've actually seen like two of them, and that's it. So I actually have the third one that exists. Well, maybe there are more, but they're probably already thrown out by now, or don't have the original version yet. The hard drive's getting archived though. Gonna upload the full 160 gigabytes to archive.org at some point. First off, I have to connect a different monitor. Because this is an old Panasonic television. That's why the screen is offset on my Panasonic television. It's even visible in the video because the screen's so freaking bright. Which is actually like, this television doesn't like DVI. The only output this thing has is DVI and it stinks. You, like, it will output a 1024 by 768 by default. I mean, I can't even reset the thing. Because the television will just be like, no signal. Absolutely incredible. Although 102 degrees is not okay for a computer. I have had that before, and that was my laptop, and it was on the GPUs. Actually, like I have to frequently replace this thing. This thing, if I put my phone close to it, you cannot even hear a fan. You could probably only hear a hard drive, and this thing is super hot. Like you cannot even hold the darn thing now. It's actually looks like the worst PC. I hope I can get Windows 10 on here. Like, I want to see how that runs.